What's up, YouTube? It's Dean Charles Anthony II back again with one more video. We're doing another unboxing. Like I said, we're gonna find the right bag for me. So we're doing another unboxing. Here is the box. This is for the 41 liter Wandrd PRVKE bag. That's what this is. So we're about to unbox this one. I'm gonna see how we like it. Oh, first look. So get right here. Also, this one came with a gift too, a free gift. It was a free gift, and I was gonna say the shipping was pretty smooth too. For it. All right. So open up this box. Let's see what comes in here. So I think this is the free gift. It was like an extra bag. This is an 18 liter. This is a waist belt for the bag, I believe. And what is going on here? Okay. Oh, this is, I think, the cube for the bag right here. See, what is this? It's a lot of stuff in here. What is this? Accessory straps. All right, cool. Okay, and this is the actual bag, which this thing kind of heavy. Oh, we can put this over here. So we got quite a few things over here. So just looking at the top of everything, this cube is huge. So this is the Pro Deep Cube. So we're gonna start here, and we're just gonna go ahead and say that best camera bags come with best packaging. So between this is actually packaged even better than the Peter McKinnon bag. So pretty cool. So we're gonna open up the right here. So what we got first, this is the Deep Cube, which this is actually pretty cool. I didn't realize it was actually like a luggage container for the cube. So like it comes with these handles right here, like this, like you can carry this. Like it actually looks like a very small backpack. But this is a very nice cube. Oh, cool. I'm gonna put this to the side because there's a lot on this table right now. Let's also just go ahead and open up the straps and stuff, and then we're gonna assemble it. Y'all, we're going through these camera bags. Y'all let me know if there's another camera bag that got your interest as we on this search. So these are the straps, and I do commend them for having everything, accessory straps, in individual packaging like this. It makes it all feel real cared for when the shipping. Then here's the waist straps. Okay. I'm just gonna open this. Like I said, it came with a free gift. This is that 18 sling. Now I got all these extra bags. Shout out for holiday sales, for discounts, and what's this thing called? And gifts. When you spend so much money. So yeah, so it's like a little packable backpack with inflatable back panel. Okay, I'm not sure what an inflatable back panel is. I'm gonna open this real quick. I don't really know what it is, but we like it. All right, it pulls out. Does this pull out? Of course it does pull out, but I'm not sure how all this. Oh, maybe this in itself stuffs. So like you put it. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. This makes sense. It is itself. You can fold it into itself. Okay, so it's like just a little extra book bag, little straps. I don't know if I'm gonna fit these straps though. I feel like a kid book bag. And then you have things in here. All right, cool. That's a nice little gift. So a little travel bag with it. Shout out to the camera bag companies that are actually travel bag companies or hiking companies. Okay, so here is, and ooh, this thing's shiny. All right, so here it is. This is the Wandrd PRVKE 41 liter bag. backpack. Now, you might be asking, especially if this is your first time video, Dean, why did you get the 41 milliliter bag? I messaged them. I said, hey, which of your bags could hold a R3 or R5 with a grip on it? They said, you could fit it in the 31. I think that's the smaller one under this one, because there's an even smaller one than that. But you probably want the 41. So I said, cool. And then I just went ahead and doubled down with the bigger case, just to make sure I get everything I need. But like I said from the other videos, like, these are bags to hold all my gear for me to travel, for me to like be able to move with. So ideally, like even with this one, I would hope to even be able to put in like one of my Godox lights, all my full camera body, maybe a full wedding, something like that. So that's the hope with this. So let's get into it. So just off first feels, it does feel pretty nice. This is a nice like leather front. I'm not sure if this is waterproof or water resistant. I know it's one of the two, but I ain't sure which one. Quick draw, side access. Okay, so looking at this, it has which this is gonna look a little more full once we put the cube in, but it has like the side access point. It has a water bottle holder right here. Nice straps. I like these straps. They feel real sturdy and good. Trying to think up here. Now this has a roll top, so like that's how you get more out of it. Like you can put like all your camera gear and stuff in there, and then use the roll top to put a whole bunch of clothes and stuff, other jazz. So yeah, it looks cool. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. So I'm assuming that the way that we get the cube in here, right, is we open up this back. So this is another back open. Dean, why do you like back open bags so much? I like being able to have my computer and stuff in here. Now, I am getting pretty used to the Peter McKinnon bag with the side access. It was real comfortable, and I don't feel like my laptop's getting bent. But I do also like it having it in here. So, as you see, it has like these pockets, nice Velcro strap right here. It feels good. Both of these feel really good. This feels really good. Or whatnot. We'll just open up on this side. This is like with the top, so like it has like 2 feeders. So like this is where the main part of the cube goes, and then there's a additional opening spot. So like because I got the full size cube, it'll fit top and bottom, but you can get one that's just for the bottom. So let me try to put this in here. And like I said, here's the cube again. Let me make sure. Okay, so this is the front side of the cube. So let me see if it just slides in. Cause it could also be very likely I'm supposed to open up the top to get this in here. All right, it can go, but I'm gonna go through the top because I feel like this. I don't want this video to be why I lose my warranty. It's like, Mr. Anthony, you should have really made sure this that you read the instructions beforehand. All right, cool. So, like I said, this is a roll top, so it rolls open. So there's more space in here. So we're gonna take this side of the bag. I'm gonna push this in here. I think I'm doing this right. All right, let me try putting this on the floor. See, they come with instructions. Okay, we're back. I just got done watching a video to how to set everything up, and I've set up the bag. Well, no gears in it, but I've set it up to be in there. Wandrd, y'all were so thoughtful with like how y'all set this up that it's making me smile. Like there's a lot of like Velcro and stuff like that to hold this in, but basically that cord that I was showing y'all earlier, it can be switched over to a book bag. There was a way to put it in. I was just trying to stuff it all in, but it can be folded all the way in. So if we look at it now, it's a much smoother piece, even with like the side access, which I closed it, but with the side access, there's a way that you tuck that side access so it's not double side access. So now you just have a one. So which is all really cool and really interesting pieces of this. So it's a pretty cool bag. But like I commend y'all for how y'all set this fully up. But it looks pretty cool. You know, we gotta do a test of like how this is gonna hold. All right, this is a R5 with a battery grip. Put it in there. This is the cleanest I've seen it, even with the other bag I've had. Nothing's been this clear, so this deep 41 is truly deep enough for the bag. I mean for the camera, which is really cool. And there's only a couple things I want to show y'all because I'm kind of excited. I want to try to use this. So it has a lot of zipper options, right? I say zipper options, a lot of like places for storage. But I know this might sound funny, but there was actually one thing that I thought was really cool that kind of stayed with me when I was looking up the different bags and whatnot for this. So, like I said, a lot of this bag is here for travel. It's for me to be able to travel, yada yada, and put as much gear as I can. That's how I can just be a little bit more fluid with like the way I'm working and all that jazz. So we got the side straps, all that jazz right here. Oh, this expands the water bottle holder. So it's a zipper right here to make it bigger. So if you want to put a tripod or a bigger water bottle, you can. So right here we have these clip on and off. Wait a second, let me see if I'm doing it now. Clip on and off to like do the chest strap, which is cool. So we got some more, a couple more things. So as always, I really do love a luggage strap, so I can throw this on my bag and don't have to always keep it on my back. But under here, there's a secret compartment. Gotta love these secret compartments that can hold like a passport or something important like that in there, which is really cool. There's a zipper, and then there's one more at the bottom. Yeah, all these places to hold stuff, which is neat. But it's a cool little bag. Also got one pocket over here, so if you want to hold your keys or something like that. Trying to see if there's anything else. But oh, and then in the front there's also a big pocket right here. So I feel like you could put a laptop or something, as long as you're not dropping it heavy in there. I wouldn't suggest that actually, but you could put something nice in here to hold some more stuff. But yeah, no, it's a pretty cool bag. It's for it being a 41, I actually thought it was gonna be bigger than this, but this is a good size bag. This can be tightened to go a little bit lower. Like I said, you can raise this up to hold more stuff in there if you're going on a trip. But this is the PRVKE 41. It's cool. We're gonna see what all we can do with it. All right, but this is another unboxing. Let me know. Am I going the right path, y'all? Y'all think I'm going the right path for bags and X, Y, and Z? I hope y'all enjoying this series. But that's all I got. This is Dean Charles Anthony, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. I forgot to say that earlier. But y'all have a great day. This is the PRVKE 41. Let me know if you have this or one of the other PRVKEs. Let me know what you think. We're out.